Okay, this is take 2 of Sterling Winery video.
The descent this time.
The descent with the camera on. Which is not that much more impressive.
See the froggy pond in here.
Froggy pond.
I bet there's a big bass in there. Big merlot sipping bass. Not a lot of fresh powder up there.
No, there's no fresh powder.
Not a single cornice.
There's a nice little castle over there, though. Did you have fun today?
I had a blast. A lot of wine.
He's my DD, though.
Yeah.
I can still do more wineries. Yay! Uh-oh. So we're getting out?
I don't think so.
Where are we going? I see steps, but I don't see any people.
I think it just turns.
This is why I don't ski.
Whoa. This is the monkey bronco portion of it.
Whee!
Here's our heart. This is the unhooker. Before we do the big descent.
Ah! This is the drop part where they just let you free fall.
The drop zone.
Ah!
This thing's all squirrely. Not good.
Ah!
Hope it doesn't come unhooked. It would suck.
You suck.
It would be hard on the back.
It would be a little bit hard in the back.
I know it's like to be a recycled can.
Ugh. These nice, lovely
It's
trees.
like a Coors Light can.
Trees. Hello. You have to go way
Yeah,
down.
no, that hard turning. That's strange.
See, they lied. I think the whole 4 minutes and 5 second thing is a lie because we're only at 2 minutes. Okay, where's the froggy pond?
These trees.
There's trees. There are lots of blue jays. I'm glad we remembered our glasses, though. Where's the froggy pond? We don't see it. Froggy pond. No. Too many trees. Can't see it through the trees.
I'll see you in a second.
Oh, there we go. There it is. There's the froggy pond.
That is a big bass pond.
They lied. They cut a whole minute off the tram ride. Hi, Connor. Hey, here, you take it. That way. Thanks for me. And I survived the tram ride down without shaking it. Thank you, Kevin, for not doing that.
I think I'm playing too much.
Down. Because I don't want to fall and die. That would not be good. Ah! And they're going to send someone with a bottle of wine, right?